Hello friends, welcome to Archer Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with Rallies India. Friends, first of all, we are going to see Rallies India's business. Friends, Rallies India, which provides pesticides and seeds and domestic crop protections and fungus protection chemicals and see here the best mega brands of this company like Tata Pandya and Tata Tanmuki and Upload and Tata Astaf, and this is the best product you see in that Tata Contaf. And friends, this one which gives an extraordinary thing friends in Tata Rally's revenue, and we are going to see a few more things in this video about its other businesses and anything. And friends, see here the Tata Rallies Q4 results which posted today shows like 36% year on year growth in March 21st compared to last year 2020 March. And friends, it posted nearly 471 crores friends in this quarter compared with last quarter, but in sequential it posted less compared with same year Q3 results. It posted lower like 17.4% lower revenue friends. So it's as usual. Why? Because crops are seasonal based, so we won't expect much revenue in this quarter. Why? Because I will explain later in this video, but seasonal bases have good demand from June onwards and up to January. So after that the revenue will somewhat will reduce, but compared to sequentially, is it increase or not, we have to notify. And going forward, if you see here the March quarter 471 compared with March 2346, as on a year on year it posted 36%. And comes to the profit, net profit last quarter 0.68, but this quarter it's 8 crores, but it increases nearly 1000%. But compared with quarter to quarter, all are negative, minus 17% revenue, and operating profit minus 94%, and net profit minus 82%. But friends, this is what I mentioned earlier, which the results will be somewhat low compared with sequential manner. But if you see the rally of this stock from 2000 to 2021, as of today it having a good rally. But see here, it having a low, that means low levels between January to May, which is a winter plus summer season. So we can expect low revenue in this. After May, it is going to see good with rainfalls. So friends, you didn't wait for my videos. Whenever you see rainfall after May, I am expecting May, June, July, right? In June itself we will see rainfalls. Why? Because COVID given curbs on transport, so pollution will decrease. Friends, after unlock the COVID, uh, after unlock on first wave of COVID, carbon emissions reached very high, and due to now lockdowns, it will somewhat better and it will come down, and we expect rainfalls very good. But see here friends, when compared with March quarters, March 2019 and March 2020 and December 2020, sequentially the numbers are increasing, the revenues are increasing. And next thing is June September it posts good results. And see, every year June September it posts good results. So we can expect, comparing with these 3 years, 350 crores 2019 March to March 2020 355 crores, but now in March 2021 it posted 479 crores. That means increased the revenue, which is increased, friends. If you see here, sequentially it increases. And December it posted 578, last December 548, but we can expect this year it will post nearly 700. So in this way we can analyze, if rains will support, it will post an extraordinary results in coming days. And I am expecting the share will sustain at these levels with a stop loss. If you see in screen, we can expect some bit low at like 255, in that areas it will kept as a stop loss. That means it will support in that levels 255 if selling pressure will come. And friends, this is the latest view and updates on this rallies India. And comparing with sequential manners, I am expecting it posted a good number in September 738, last year September 2019 755, and this year we can expect a good number from June. From every June it posted 631 crores in 2019, 2020 June 674 crores. So we can expect further a good numbers like 700 crores. So friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel, friends. Thank you.